Performances. We shall begin with the Best Drama Supporting Actor. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actor, John Arcelia, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Christopher De Leon, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Baron Geisler, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Joel Lamangan, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Christopher Martin, Mga Lihim ni Urduha, GMA7. Joel Torre, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z.
Bigat na mga pangalan. Good morning sa'yo, buwi na lang ako. Ladies and gentlemen, the star for Best Drama Supporting Actor goes to... You wanna read this? Elijah Canlas, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations. Presenting the awards, BMPC Past President Chairman of the 37th Star Awards for TV, Mr. Roldan Castro.
Thank you. Won't take too much of your time. Thank you, BMPC, for the surprise. Akala ko mag-host lang ako ngayon, pero may pag-ganito pala. So thank you, BMPC, at sa lahat po na bumubuo ng BMPC. Thank you to God, thank you to my family, my mom, my dad, my kuya. Thank you to all our directors, our writers, the whole cast and crew of Senior High. Sa management ko, Sir Erickson, Sir Jeff, Ate Gian, Cornerstone Entertainment. And ginawa ko to panahon, madami akong binubuhat, kakamatay lang nung bunso namin. So inaalay ko to sa kanya para to sa'yo, JM. Thank you po. So mag-represent naman ako ngayon.
Congratulations, bro. So just for
recap,
Bito Boy had awards, Jella had an award, you had an award.
Parang ikaw dapat.
I'm hoping for this next category, I would win.
Dapat no?
Sana.
And this next category is for the Best Drama Supporting Actress.
Okay.
May chance. Malakas yung chance. Malakas yung chance. And the nominees are...
For Best Drama Supporting Actress, Pinky Amador, Abot Kamay na Pangarap, GMA7. Angel Aquino, Dirty Linen, TV5 A to Z. Rio Locsin, Black Rider, GMA7. Cherry Pie Picache, FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Gladys Reyes, Black Rider, GMA7. Sylvia Sanchez, Senior High, TV5 A to Z. Maricel Soriano, Pirapirasong Paraiso, TV5 A to Z.
And the star for the Best Drama Supporting Actress goes to... Miss Cherry Pie Picache! FPJ's Batang Quiapo, TV5 A to Z. Congratulations, Miss Pie.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all rise and kneel before Miss Cherry Pie Picache. Presenting the award is BMPC Assistant Secretary Mildred Bacud.
Ayan. Sa wakas. Hindi, no, I would really like to thank PMPC. Maraming salamat. Kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Bihira itong mangyari. I'm always nominated. Bihira. Ayun ako magsasalita.
There, okay. It's all good.
Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time, once again, Miss Cherry Pie Picache.
Ayun nga, sa wakas, sinulit talaga. And then, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira ko manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Edrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape. and to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group. Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na binibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other heads, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Sevilla, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ako, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mong malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Well, it's your award. We love you and congratulations, Ms. Cherry Pie. Well-deserved award. Okay, now let's have the star for Best Single Performance by an Actor. And the nominee...
The star for the Best Single Performance by an Actress. Nominees pa lang pala. Here are
Kailanman ang Batang Hamog, The Boy Zobel Story, GMA7. Therese Malvar, Magpakailanman, Bayad Utang, GMA7. Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA7. Rian Ramos, Magpakailanman, Ang Hiling sa Diyos, The Vance Uy Kwaki Story, GMA7.
Alright, and the star for the Best Single Performance by a Lead Actress goes to Rochelle Pangilinan, Magpakailanman, The Abused Teacher, GMA7.
Presenting the award is PMPC Past President and Auditor Rodel Fernando.
Thank you. And thank you PMPC Star Awards for this Best Single. Ang sarap namin, wait lang. Best Single Performance by an Actress. Actress na ako! Oh gosh! And lahat, ilan po yata sa inyo, alam niyo na, first love ko ay dancing. Siguro from Eat Bulaga to Daisy 7 hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng interes sa acting sa Amaya. Doon ko naintindihan na bilang actress ay kinakalaban ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kapag may binigay sa akin role o trabaho, sinisigurado ko na mas mahigitan ko yung ginawa kong huling role. And china-challenge ko lagi yung sarili ko. Kaya itong award na to ay napaka-fulfilling. Kaya ninamnam ko kanina, napaka-rewarding, maraming salamat. And sa lahat ng kasama ko sa nominasyon para po sa inyo to, sa lahat ng katrabaho namin sa industriyang ito, mula sa lahat ng staff, directors, lahat, co-actors, maraming salamat po. At syempre sa aking home network, mulat sa pool na tumungtong ako sa showbiz industry, ang GMA7. Maraming salamat ang Sparkle family, ang PPL family, at higit sa lahat sa pamilya ko na si Arthur Solinap na asawa ko na lagi nakakakita na minsan sinasabi niya sa akin na, oh, naglalakad tayo sa mall, bakit mukha kang warrior maglakad? So, method ko na minsan at syempre sa anak kong si Shiloh, anak, para sa ito. And maraming salamat po magpakailanman. Kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Maraming salamat po. Thank you!
Thank you so much.
Most goes to Kim Chu. It's Showtime GTV TV5.
Congratulations! Presenting the award is PMPC board member Leonie Garcia.
In behalf of PMPC, they would like to accept the award. Congratulations, Ate Kim.
Congratulations to all of our awardees.
Congratulations to you. Medal ka kung best TV show host.
But let's time for a breather, guys. With all of those awards, sa malaki karangalan para ipakilala ang ating espesyal na bisita ngayong gabi. Mayroon ka ba tayo dahil nag-iisa lamang siya, world champion, the best of the best. We got the voice himself. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr.
Host. Here are the nominees.
For Best Male TV Host, Paolo Ballesteros, EAT, TV5. Robbie Domingo, Asap Natin To, TV5, A to Z. Vice Ganda, It's Showtime, GTV, TV5. Martin Rivera, Asap Natin To, TV5, A to Z. Alden Richards, All Out Sundays, GMA7. Vic Soto, EAT, TV5. Gary Valenciano, Asap Natin To, TV5, A to Z.
Alright, and the star for Best Male TV Host goes to Robbie. It's a tie! Paolo Ballesteros from EAT and TV5 and Robbie Domingo! Asap natin to, TV5 A to Z. Robbie.
May award na si Kuya Robbie.
Oh my God. Thank you so much. I actually didn't really expect this at all. This is my first award as Best Male TV Host. Thank you so much, PMPC. To be nominated alongside those big names is an honor in itself, no? But I prayed for this, I hoped for this, I dreamed for this, and now it's here. Thank you, Lord. I would love to thank ASAP, my ASAP family, for entrusting me the mic for the variety show. I'd love to thank ABS-CBN, my Star Magic family, my own family, my whole team, and my wife. Thank you for the love and support. And Mikey, we did it. We did it. Thank you, PMPC. Mabuhay po kayo.